Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on switching between miles and kilometers on the Seat Arona. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If your Seat Arona is in the wrong distance units, you can change it in the settings. Follow the steps to learn how to do it. Press the menu button to the right of the screen. Then tap System. Scroll down the system settings and tap Units. You can change the distance units as well as the speed units. My units are currently set to kilometers. To change the distance units, tap the current units to the right of distance. Then choose the unit that you would like to change to. To change the speed units, tap the unit to the right of speed. Then choose the unit that you would like to change to. As you can see, my units have now been changed to miles. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.